My name's Alistair, and today I want to go through signing up with Shopify to create your own e-commerce store. What I want to do is I want to break it down into sections, say 2 to 3 minutes each, which means that you'll probably end up with about 10 to 15 different videos. I don't want to make each one too long because not everybody's got time to sit down and watch a video for an hour to an hour and a half. So I'm making shorter videos so that you can go through 1 or 2 videos per day, take action, get started with building your business, and then take it from there. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? First, you want to sign up by going through to shopify.com, use the link in the description box below, and go sign up for a 14-day trial. All you've got to do is enter your email address and get started. Okay, all you've got to do is enter your email address, create a password, and then put in your store name. When you're thinking about creating a store, you've got to try and keep in mind what kind of person you're trying to get to buy a product. What you should be doing is looking for products that are within a niche market. A niche market can be anything like cats, dogs, fishing, photography, golfing, anything like that. So then you go and you create a unique domain name or a unique name for your store. In this case, I've just gone for a quick test domain, just so that we can get started and get going with the setup of our Shopify store. So we've entered our email, created a password, there's our store name. Let's and then we'll move on to the next video. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next video.